Today we are making a origami easy box. This is what it looks like. All you will need is one piece of tape and a square piece of paper. Now let's get started. And make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Fold the paper diagonally so you'll get a triangle. Unfold it and fold it the other way diagonally. So you'll have a triangle with the line in the middle. Okay, unfold that, and you would have one thicker fold and one thinner fold this way. So you have like a cross. So now put the cross down, and then pinch the two edges and kind of like push them closer. Push them closer. And then you should get like this triangle. So look like this on the back. And increase that. And unfold that again. These are just guidelines. And then fold the edge to the middle point. Like that. Do that on both sides. Okay. Fold this edge to the middle again. Okay. Now, if you look very closely, you'll have kind of an emerald shape. So flip that over and fold it diagonally like this. So you'd have this part on that line. So you'd have like sort of this. And then fold it on the back side like this. You would sort of get a house shape. Then do that on the other side again. So you fold it like this. And then fold it down like this. Okay, here's where you need the one piece of tape. Get your piece of tape and put it right here on the back side. So put that here. So now these shouldn't flap up. Okay. So now when you have this, open the edges like this. So you open the edges and then you fold this part inside here to make one side of your box. Then pinch this edge so you can get the corner. And then do that again on the other side. So then fold it in. And pinch it both sides. Okay. Now, if you want to remodel it a little, and you can make two of these and make one bigger than the other, so you could kind of fit them in each other, and you should get like a box with a top. Okay, that's it. If you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any other videos. Bye!